Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in granite crystal metallic. This vehicle does get up to 5 passengers, so it's perfect for the whole family. Under the hood we got your 6.4 liter SRT Hemi V8 with your beautiful black slot 7-slot grille with your headlights here. Taking a look down here, we've got your 20-inch mud and snow tires, as well as your breakaway side view mirror does come with defrost. There are plenty of more options we can look at inside. Let's hop on in. Hopping into this Jeep, we've got your remote start keyless entry fob with your power liftgate as well. Gonna go ahead and show you how to do the remote start. Hold it down, it'll lock. Press it again, it'll start. As long as you have this key in your pocket or on your body at all times, you can unlock it just like this. Very handy to have. Over here we've got your power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as your driver's seat preset. We've got your cup holder with some storage. Over here we've got your automatic headlights, so you can set it and forget it. We've got these beautiful SRT leather seating. Let's hop on in here. It is a push to start as well. There we go. Going through your display quickly here. You got your, oh, it's telling me the fuel is low. Your speedometer, your screen setup. We've got your messages, your audio, your trip A, your fuel economy, driver assist, back to vehicle information, and your speedometer. Right here. Oh, what happened? Screen setup. It is there. And you got your stored messages, your audio, shows you all your features, all your fuel economy, just like that. I'm trying to get it to go back here. Anyways, on the left, we've got your voice recognition. And on the right, we have your cruise control, your leather-wrapped steering wheel. This vehicle does also only have 20,455 kilometers on it, not bad. And paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel, as you can see. Over here at your rearview mirror, we've got your SOS and your assist, as well as your sunglass holder here. We've got the buttons for your reading lamps, the power liftgate. Up here, we've got your internal garage opener, as well as the buttons for your panoramic sunroof, which I'll go ahead and show you here. Opens very smoothly, just like that. I'm not going to open out of the way just because it is cold. Oops. Closes nice and smoothly as well. Perfect for those hot summer days. Taking a look down here at your audio center, we've got AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Turn up the volume. Good old Avril Lavigne. Down here as well, we got your media to connect your phone. We got your climate, which we can turn on here. Your dual climate control. Pushing into this button is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats and ventilated seats. We got your travel link. We've got your Wi-Fi hotspot, your assist. Click into the controls, and that's where you'll also find your backup camera, your driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats, your heating steering wheel. Here's your backup camera. You can see pretty clearly from it, as well as your nav button and your phone to connect your phone. Taking a look down here is where you'll find your manual AC dual climate control buttons, your volume and your tune dial, as well as your parking sensors, your lane assist, your eco button, your traction control. In here is where you'll find 2 USBs and an auxiliary output and a little bit of storage. 2 great cup holders. We've got your sport mode, your track, snow, tow, drive modes. We've got a little bit of storage here, as well as underneath, and another 12V DC outlet. There's plenty more we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Taking a look in the back, you can see the door panels are all the same. They all got this nice accent feature and these Harman speakers, as well as a little cup holder here. Lots of foot and headroom in the back here. We've got your directional air vents, as well as your heated rear seats, 115 volt outlet, 2 USB ports, map pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, as well as hard backings. Great if you have kids, especially. Taking a look back here is where you'll find your backup camera, as well as your power liftgate. Opens up just like that. Plenty of space in the back, as well as a full-size spare tire. Got a little bit of storage over here. Your 12V DC outlet here. Got a hook on each corner in the back. Your power liftgate button closes just like that. Very handy to have. Take a look in the back here. Door panel, just the same. Beautiful accent feature, as well as this vehicle has 2 cup holders back here and a great little armrest. These seats do come down just like that, giving you some extra storage in your vehicle. Taking a look in the front, you can see the door panels all match up together, as well as your front console for some extra storage space. We've got your manual in here as well. The accent feature runs throughout the vehicle. That's it. I'd like to thank you all for taking a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. If you'd like to take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.